Wait.
Where are
Word.
the?
Oh, I can't see it.
Hey, wait! No cheating! Whoa!
What do you mean no cheating? We don't have bots in here.
I should.
Using tracking glitch is considered cheating.
Oh, is it actually?
Yeah.
Oh, fiddlesticks.
I mean, it depends. Like, it's not cheating, but like in stuff like this, it is.
Oh, I'm so tough at this, dude.
What if I do it on accident?
You do it on accident, you're cooked. Wait, what happens when we die?
Really bad tracking.
What happens when we die?
We restart.
Oh, right after he said that he died.
Are we dead ass?
No,
It's
I
chained
didn't
together.
die. Alright,
I beated it.
you can just follow us. Anyways, what are we gonna be doing, guys? Juking him or what?
It doesn't
We're
matter
gonna
to me,
beat
dude.
it first. We're just gonna beat it
Alright.
first.
So we're gonna like do it first, then juke him. Alright. Help! What the? Yo!
Bro got stuck.
What? You good? You good, bud?
Is Broski alright?
I think he's dead. I think he's out of game.
I think he fell off the map.
Did he actually? He's still in the server, so he should be fine.
It's possible.
Hey,
Wario.
we're still waiting for you in level 2.
Yeah, it made me go. I got stuck and it made me go.
6, 7. Hurry up, slowpoke.
Shut up, loser.
My magical summoning.
My magic. Wait,
It's some Beat Saber song.
are
right
we
here.
just gonna be running or can we do the tracking glitch?
I think
Well,
should
it
be
doesn't
running,
matter to me.
It's bannable. It's just bannable. I don't want to get banned.
Alright.
So.
You broke into my house. Now you will have to.
Wait, what? What could I have
Are they
possibly
dead
died
already?
to?
No, we didn't die. It's like broken.
What did I die to?
What did I die to?
And then I'm doing it
Died
again.
to thin air.
No shot, you guys already died.
We
Sucker.
didn't die. It like made us
Something
die.
made us die.
Alright.
Like he couldn't have gotten a speed boost that fast. That's not fair.
Just give me like 6 or 7 seconds.
Shut up.
Shut up.
You broke into my house. Now you will
Okay,
have to.
guys.
You cannot escape from me.
Wait, what? Like home slice. What am I dying to?
Are we just like... Is it bugged?
I'll
Apparently,
report this as a glitch.
because there couldn't be anything I
Alright.
just died to like.
Alright, whatever. We're doing rob a bank. You just
It's
follow
the-
us. Just follow
Okay.
us.
Okay, yeah, everything's pitch black. I can't see a thing.
Did us?
Yeah. Turn off reflections, everything's pitch black.
That's a cool like idea to do. Play Master
Dude,
Race
I got
without the
stuck on this
reflections.
level. I got stuck on this level. I was doing it in my video and I got stuck on it.
How'd you get stuck?
Oh my gosh,
Cause
Henrik.
I didn't realize I didn't realize that it was a crack in the wall, so I was like, where the hell is this exit? I was just walking into a wall like a dumbass.
This part's fun.
So yeah, everything's pitch black except the lasers. Oh well, this can be
Loser, then
Terrible.
fucking like go. Oh, I remember this. So annoying. Dude, you're so.
I kind of got cooked.
6-7.
What?
Don't worry, if you guys die, just
we both died at the same time. I can't see a thing.
Yeah, we're gonna leave you. We're gonna leave you.
Oh my gosh.
I'm stuck.
I didn't even
Okay,
do
okay.
that voice on purpose. I'm gonna be so mad if this doesn't save
This
because
is
my
not
jar
going to be fun.
has so much storage. Like no storage left. Oh my gosh, I'm so tough at this. Look at me. I'm so great. Stop laughing.
Instantly died.
What are we?
Oh, I didn't even realize that was moving.
What?
I'm smart.
Yo, get your ass over here. This is way better.
Nah, I'd rather do it this way. It's more fun.
Joe, do you want to die? Do you want to die? Do you want to fucking die?
Yeah. 6, 7.
Shut up with the 6-7.
6, 7.
What a shocker.
Oh, I'm fucking trash.
Wait.
What? What? Oh, come on, bro. I literally went under that.
What?
Okay.
Okay, I guess I died too.
Alright, now I guess it's gonna be the first, whoever beats it first wins.
Wins what?
I'm right behind you.
They win a firm handshake.
They want a free girlfriend? What?
A free girlfriend. Bro said a handshake.
That's what you...
How did you get girlfriend
That's
out
what
of
you
that?
It said girl shake. Like, what?
This guy he's obsessed with women.
No,
I'm
nah,
so
that's
fun,
weird.
bro.
So
Okay.
fun, bro.
If I could see,
I made it!
if only.
Alright, wait for us.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
Oh my gosh, I'm actually so tough.
No, you weren't. I'm so good at this game. Oh my god. Never disrespect the corners.
What?
Don't mess with the corners.
Buddy is not a corner.
Yo! Oh, what's his name?
Come on,
Microwave, hurry up!
Hey,
Come on,
man,
microwave, like actually lock in.
I'm picking up the pace.
Before I make you microwave my breakfast sandwich.
Lock in, microwave!
Before I make you microwave
microwave.
my breakfast sandwich.
7. 6, 7.
Before I make you in my brekkie.
Hey,
go at the same time?
place the
Okay,
C4s on the
don't go at
green
the same
spots
time.
near the bank. After you are done,
Where the
press the
fuck are
red
the
button.
C4 spots?
Ethan sounds so bunions. Like, what?
Boop. Oh,
Alright,
I
get
just
ready.
realized.
Look it at the same time.
Get it.
It's gonna get mad dark for you.
No, it's actually bright now.
Oh,
No, really?
Yeah.
I know, but the light
I mean, there's a
disappears,
big
just so
ass
you know.
fire. There's a big ass fire. I would expect there to be bright.
Oh, they're coming! They're coming!
Oh, never mind. It's dark now.
Told ya. Just follow me.
I got murdered. I'm gonna get murdered. It's a peak gameplay. Peak gameplay. I did. This is so fucking stupid.
Get ready to hop over something. I didn't want to
Hop over me!
How am I not dead? I should be dead.
Why is this so long? What? Wait, where's Microwave?
I'm
Oh,
locked
you're so
in,
cool.
bro.
Oh, fuck that. Yo, fuck that. Yeah,
I
yeah.
can't.
If the helicopter's about to get you, you're done.
You better break me! Yeah, fuck that, you're good!
It's like the bird box challenge, bro. What is this? Wait. I beat it. I'm so good. Yo,
I beat it!
Master
that
Vibes
boy.
is officially
Kill
gone.
that
I'm actually
boy.
crying.
Bro, I'm getting inside of this. This is
I
mine.
want Master and
Hey,
Vibes
this is
back.
mine,
Like,
buddy.
this is...
This is mine.
Move.
is caring, you know? Sharing is caring. Bro, I couldn't see shit. That's some W gameplay.
Alright, guys, time for level 4.
Oh, that's gonna be fun. So excited!
So excited!
Are we allowed to use the freaking tracking glitch on this one for the long hallway?
No.
Oh my
Bro,
gosh,
it's the
dude.
long-ass hallway.
Fine. For the long
Yay,
hallway,
It's
yeah.
just, it's,
Like,
it's the long hallway.
but what if I
It's
get
so
there
long.
first?
Wait, why is the guard like tweaking?
I don't know. He's got
He's
issues.
scared. He got issues. You got problem. If you got an issue, take a tissue.
Mine's is not working. Oh my gosh. Okay.
But he's in second place, so I can never. Shit,
What do you-
I'm in second place.
Look at me. I'm in last.
Oh my god, my arm hurts. Alright,
Oh
stick to the
no!
left, guys.
I've never completed this before.
Neither have I.
This is I think this is my favorite level because of. Oh my god.
Alright, you're not.
Buddies, I may have died again.
I got this.
Wait for me.
Okay, I guess you could do that as well. Fiddlesticks. But he just breezed past the lasers. There's the hard part. There's the hard part. You gotta jump over it. I'm so good.
Find my own exit. Find my own exit.
I'm so Are we actually going to level 5?
Yes, bro.
Hey, buddies, wait for me.
Wait. No. You gotta wait. Alright.
Bum, ba-na-na-na-na.
Doesn't matter, though.
I'm doing this one-handed loser.
Oh, fiddlesticks.
Oh,
I'm
fiddlesticks.
going to.
I made it.
I can't see the rope, bro. The rope is not seeable.
No.
I fumbled.
Take your time, slowly.
As soon as I started laughing at you being
One step at a
behind,
time,
I can't.
Don't. What the fuck are you doing? Like, no.
I can't. Spin's coming. Fuck this.
Oi. Losers,
Okay.
please climb it.
I've been here, buddy. What do you mean, loser?
Dude, this should have been my video. Don't
Nah, I
send
should have
me.
my video. Trust.
Nah, I think it's
Nah.
fine.
You guys want to skip the cutscene or not?
Nah, let's look. Nah, fuck that shit. We're skipping the cutscene.
Our bet.
Okay. Sigma on the wall. Who's the richest
Oh
of
my
all?
god, corrupted me on the bear.
Hey, you're not passing me, buddy.
Get over here. Dude, your badass arms, bro.
I know, right? They're so fat. Oh fuck! I fumbled.
Loser.
Ooh, I'm gonna get up there. You're gonna fumble on the first jump.
Oh my god.
I'm locked in.
I'm gonna pass you.
Bro, I'm not passing either of
I
y'all.
hit your arm. Look at this, bro. We're racing an ice ball. We're just chilling. Oh my god, I'm actually tired now. I shouldn't have been racing.
My
Yeah.
arm's monster.
It's all for the content, guys. The YouTube.
Yeah, we are not getting content out.
One like equals one speed boost.
I was just there.
Yo, can I get a banana peel so I can just look like a symbol?
Loser.
Oh. My forearms hurt.
Oh, I'm so
Was that really bad?
on energy right now.
Oh, I'm spinning. I'm spinning. Oh shit.
I'm doing the J-Man Curly style. I'm doing the J-Man Curly style right now. I'm bending down while I'm running. J-Man Curly style.
Monkey, monkey, monkey!
Monkey, monkey, monkey.
Monkey, monkey, monkey! Bobber. Monkey, monkey. Oh my gosh, she's singing!
This music is so tough.
Take your spot. Hot dude, you're in the seats.
Oh my god, bro. I hate how long it is, bro. It's taking too long. Hey, you're tracking glitching. He's cheating. He's cheating.
I'm
He's
not
just
cheating,
phone,
bro.
but
I'm
I get
never
first place. I get first place, buddy.
No, no. I'll be over there. Fuck yourself.
He gave me a little. He gave me a little. He got me real close.
This is it. No, yes, it is.
It's a sweet spot right here. It's a sweet spot right here. What? Luckily, the back method, I do this right here.
I know, I actually play it. Bolts is gonna die.
I'm live. I'm live.
guys are like way ahead of me.
A little bit, just a little bit.
Just a little
I'm
bit.
on
You
one
saw how far I was behind y'all in the chase?
Yeah, a little bit, just a little bit. I'm on 150 health.
You both. Oh, I was about to say.
I just realized the second time I was getting everyone.
How are you not dead yet? Gosh. How are you not dead?
I'm on just 20 health.
Bolts, what are you doing? Bolts, it's covering the whole thing. Bolts, you're gonna die. Whew. What is up here? My arms hurt. Microwave is dead. Bolts is, I don't know. Bye bye.